Here I am. It's now day 6 from having the lap band surgery. I'm having my Slim Fast. I'm still on my liquid diet. I think I'm doing okay. I'm a little tired, as you can tell, a little bit pale. Not really hungry. The pain, as far as the chest pain, has been getting a little bit better. It seems to come and go. I've been going to work, but I get tired pretty easy at work. I have to sit down a lot, and then when I sit down, I'm not sitting up straight, and so I can feel almost pressure on the band because I'm not sitting up straight. So that's been a problem. I've had some itching on the incisions, so I would assume that means that they're healing. There is some redness, so I'm not really concerned about that. Yeah, you can hear my son singing in the background. He's excited. I think if I just get a little bit more rest, that maybe I would feel a little bit better. I've thought about food. I kind of know what I want to eat after the liquid diet. I think I have 15 days left of the liquid diet, and then I could have food. I guess I have some fear about if it's going to get stuck or what's going to happen. Yesterday I had soup, and it was a 10-ounce, one of those drinkable things, and I think I drank about 9 ounces of it, and then I got this horrible pain in my chest. Obviously I'd had too much, so I really did not feel good after that at all. So I'm trying to be really careful about how much I drink. This, I think, this is 11 ounces, and it doesn't seem to bother me when I drink a full one of these. In fact, I'll drink a full one of these and then I'll have a cup of coffee, and that doesn't seem to bother me. But I don't know if the coffee helps to go through or what the deal is with that. I haven't quite figured it out, but it just could be that I'm drinking too much at one time, or something's happening, because when I had that soup, it was not a good feeling. I'm not going to do that again. I did have a problem taking my pills. I tried crushing them up, and it made me extremely ill, and I ended up having what they call a BP, which I don't like at all. I ended up throwing up the soup that I had put it in. It was just horrible. So I threw that up, and I haven't crushed them since. I've taken them one at a time very slowly, and I've been able to keep them down. I'm not sure if I'm getting the same effect from the medication. I would assume I am. I am able to go to sleep on my sleep medication. I do feel a little nervous sometimes, so I'm wondering if my anxiety medication is working correctly. I may have to have it lowered, because maybe being that it's in the stomach and it's sitting there longer, I may be getting too much of the medication. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to go day by day and keep going with the liquids, try to be faithful to the liquids, and try to continue with the progress that I've had. I feel like I'm losing weight, but haven't really weighed myself to see if that's happened. I guess I just feel a little bit weak right now, and I'm hoping that that feeling will go away as time goes on. My husband, who had the band done at the same time, is feeling kind of the same thing. He said he had some chest pain. He was concerned that the band had slipped, and I tried to explain to him that that was from the gas, and that's probably completely normal. So I think everything will be okay. Our biggest debate now is where to go for the fill. in 8 weeks, and whether we should do it under the floral x-ray or just go and do a blind. I'd rather have it under the floral. So we're working on whether or not we can afford to do that. But I'll keep everybody up to date on our progress. So far so good. Thanks.